A garden can be one of the chief selling points of a home, just as much for you buying your new house as it is for the people that are buying yours. So legally, it's really important for everybody to know what's going to stay in the garden when you come to move and what's going to be taken with you. That can cover not just the plants, but also the ornaments. And rather in the same way as indoors, things that are fixed are often considered to be fixtures and fittings. Movable items are often the furnishings of a house, so those are the same rules that apply in the garden too. Examples of furnishings include your patio chair and table, for example, your barbecue, and even small garden pots and ornaments. But the plants themselves could be considered to be fixtures because they're rooted deep into the ground and may be a permanent feature of the garden. So you need to draw that into the contract so that people know which plants are going to be moved and which ones are going to stay. Now clearly there are plants that you'll have become very attached to over the years and that you wouldn't think of moving unless you took them with you. So the main thing is to let the buyer know exactly what you're going to take, and if you do want to barter with them about perhaps an additional cost for certain well-established plants, then that might be something that can be agreed to. The main thing is to be happy. Both sides need to be happy, and there doesn't need to be anything that can be brought into debate or anything that's hidden in the course of the sale. Take a walk around the garden and make a thorough list of every plant that you want to take with you as a starting point for the negotiations, and then discuss it with the people that are buying your place. You might think about dividing some of the plants and leaving a portion of it behind so that the garden character doesn't really change. And if needs be, take some photos with your mobile phone so that you've got evidence of what was there before you came to move.